heading to Galveston, and then we're going a different way than we normally go. Like, I'm like, we're going a different way.
We're gonna go through Port Arthur, across the ferry. Well, not across the ferry. We're gonna take the ferry.
We're gonna take the ferry
across the bay. Well, across the sound to the Galveston
other side. So,
seawall. Yeah.
Yeah. This is Galveston County line. This is cool because we've never we've done the ferry by just riding it for fun, for free. It's a free little thing you can do. But it's also, look at all the bikers. Is this why it's busy in Galveston? And we're staying tonight in a nice bed and breakfast, the Lasker Inn. It's supposed to be a little haunted. We'll see what that is. So this is the ferry, the line to the ferry?
This is the line to the ferry.
Ferry.
The ferry line.
The ferry line? The F-A-I-R-Y?
No.
The F-E-R-R-Y.
That's
the ferry. Not the ferry. I heard there's lots of dolphins to be seen.
All right.
It's 11:41 right now.
Right.
To get ready to board. Well, we're in line to get on the ferry. See how long it takes to get across. And when we get across into Galveston, we'll I'll post the time then. This is really neat.
Wow.
I guess we're going on, aren't we?
Maybe.
That's a lot of cars. Are they waiting?
I don't know. Never driven on.
I've driven on ferries. I haven't driven on them, but I've driven on them with my father driving when we were young children. Excited, scared, nervous.
I'm just ready to get there.
So what did it say? Please until it departs landing. Right here. Oi. Okay, that's cool.
We made it. Yay! We made it.
Oh, look at it! Someone hit our car! This is for dolphin. You.
A lot of dolphins.
Yeah, there is.
Feeding over there, up over there.
You're so handsome. You're so happy. It's a gorgeous day. It's not hot at all. It's gonna be about an hour total time, I think. A little over an hour probably it'll take. Yeah, it was 41.
Yeah,
About an hour. A little over an hour it'll take. On a good day, maybe.
Yeah.
So we have made it less than an hour.
Yep.
It's 12:34 right now. So awesome.
Yeah, that is awesome.
Now so a total bike rally is going on in Galveston, huh?
Yeah. They had the seawall blocked off for
A rally thing.
yeah, for the rally.
Parking's like outrageously priced. Yeah, Jim likes this kind of thing.
Yeah.
Did you tell Jim you want to go to a nice hotel or a cheap hotel? A nice one. I like that.
Ruins me.
This is like the reflection room or something like that. Wow, look how high the ceilings are. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's how they do weddings here on weekends. This shower is fantastic. Wow. We'll walk around the house and I'll show you around. This is our room. This is the entrance. We get this, and here. And this is the room. That's Jim. It's very nice, very neat. You get a little refrigerator. Downstairs, there's a whole kitchen you can borrow to keep the refrigerator and stuff. Very nice. What do you think, Jim?
I like it. It's
Very
nice.
unique. Very awesome.
It's clean.
Clean. Yeah, so far it's clean. The bed's comfortable. I was laying on the bed. It's really comfortable. So the bed's not as neat as it would have been. But it's really nice. Very comfortable. Oh.
Oh, you just noticed the mirror?
I just noticed that giant mirror. We got to pull the bed away from it. See the movie of her choice.
It looks really good.
I like that.
It's super clean.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
Not when there's 2 handprints on there later on.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. I might have to cut that out. Like right here. Mm. So we'll take a walk around the house when we go outside, so you can see the rest. It's gorgeous. And there's breakfast in the morning with a chef. Like. Okay. That's cool.
Really nice.
It is. There's a side porch too. What's our big chair? Not this side, the other side. Bed service. Please use front door exit. This is nice. You want to get a drink before? You gonna make me a drink, bartender?
What would you like?
What do they got?
Oh, they got blackberry crown oil.
About that with a little Coke and some ice. Always ice, please.
Right.
Yes, please. Thank you. I'm gonna get married here. Thank you, bartender. Most of the time they're booked on weekends because they do weddings. Lots of weddings. Since it's the bike rally weekend, we got lucky. Holy. Thank you, bartender. I'm gonna get a straw over there.
Is that Annabelle?
It's a creepy doll in the corner. I love it.
Is that Annabelle or Annabelle's sister?
I don't know. It's just a creepy doll in the corner, which I think is so awesome. I do. Okay. Go this way out. There's this.
I love this, how it's so open and everything. It's beautiful.
There's chairs over there. Yeah.
It's nice.
Sure is. You look good in that little rocking chair like an old man.
Where is the GoPro?
Around my neck.
Okay.
Jim's a good bartender.
I'm on top of it.